Hello and welcome to Easy Drupal. In today's video, we're going to be using a tool called Drupal Rector to update this module on our upgrade status page. So if you remember in the last video, we cleared some modules that needed updating, and we are now 89% complete, according to this in the corner. So we've got a couple of things to sort out. We're going to sort out this settings config issue in the next video, but in this one, we're going to update or fix this module here with Rector. Now, I don't actually use that module. It doesn't do anything, but I'm going to use it for a demonstration. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is install Rector. So there's some really useful instructions on this page, which I will link to down below. But basically, it is a composer require that we do. So grab that command and then go over to our command line and install that. I will put these commands down below. So there's a command we use to run the Rector process. So we can pass a flag called dry run, which will show us what will change without actually changing it. So we're going to do that. I'm not sure this will work because I think we might need to be in the vendor directory. Let me just give that a try. Okay, so to use the vector dry run command, we use this command, which is vendor bin rector process, and that calls the rector.php script. So the folder we're going to run it against is big blue door. So check all the files in that module directory. There you go, 15 items checked. Rector is done. It doesn't actually tell me whether it would have changed anything. Let's try again without the dry run. And it doesn't look like it changed anything. Darn it. So unfortunately, that didn't work. Basically, Rector doesn't have the changes that I need in its library. So I'm going to have to fix these manually, which we will do. I'll show you how to do this easy one down the bottom, and then I'll fix these two offline. So to fix one of those errors, the easy one, basically got to go to the root of that module, and we should be able to edit the info file. So we need a line in here that gives us the core version requirement. It should say 9. Don't know what I did there. And if we save that, we should now be able to go back here and rescan. And on there, we'll now see we've only got 2 problems, which are those 2 manual ones which we need to do. I will go away and fix those now and be back to you in a moment. I had a quick look at what the issue was. I'm actually going to fix it here and now. So basically we have this entity manager which has now been deprecated, and it's been replaced with entity type manager. I'm hoping this should be a straight swap. There are 2 instances of that. If we output that and exit, and if we go back to our status page and rescan that, I'm really hoping that it might be okay now. That's it. We've cleared that one. Okay, so the big blue door coding exercise has now got no problems. It doesn't have a Drupal.org version, so no problems with that. So all we've now got to do is fix this use settings config sync directory, which should be quite easy, and we'll do that one in the next video. Hopefully that made a bit of sense. It was a bit jumbled, but yeah. Thanks very much for watching. See you on the next one.